last Tuesday, we were somewhere around here. That's Tuesday, about 7th of November. We discussed about this down channel, this testing the down channel. I also talk about this is good call. We call this temporary bottom, and then that's the breakout signal. After that is rally up, hitting the resistance level created by the supply line of the down channel. I expect some form of the pullback, but based on what we see right here, like on Monday, Tuesday, it's still not too bad, and that's shallow pullback. That is one of the most bullish scenario that we discussed last week. We talked about a very shallow type of the pullback as long as it did not violate this bar, violate the low of this bar, and it's likely to have another final push up. The final push up to where? To the current level. This is likely the final push up. Testing the access line, access level. It's possible to uptrust that as well because do we see any supply right here? First, there is increasing of the supply on this bar. There's increasing of supply on this bar, but that's also negated immediately on the next day. Next day, there's even a more bullish bar overtake and commit above this initiated breakout. That's a good thing, very bullish. And after that, yesterday, there's a test bar right at this resistance level with decreasing of the supply. The test is bullish at the moment. In terms of the price action, I did not see commitment to the downside. In terms of the supply, it did not attract significant supply. In fact, supply went down yesterday. All things points to another move to the upside. Likely we'll see a breakout of this level 4440 to likely the next level will be somewhere around 4480. This is where the localized breakdown happens. There is this swing low, and this is where the failure bar show up. Initially, there is a hammer attempt to hold up at this level, but next day it break down straight away. This is where the breakdown happened, and if we see the breakout happen on here, 4440, is going to test next level about 4480 where the initial breakdown happened. That could be another move to the upside before we see a reaction. Last week, we also discussed about the increasing of the supply on this down leg. This is a downswing with an increasing of the supply, which need to be tested in order to confirm the low is in. Right now, although this is classified as a change of character, by far this is the best up wave that we have ever seen out from this Dow channel, comparing to this, and yeah, this two. This is by far the best upswing that we have ever seen. It's definitely a change of character. But because there's excessive supply on the last downswing that need to be tested, we need to see the test. Hopefully, it will be relatively shallow. If we could break out, come to here, and then have a pullback, and then consolidate a bit before it resume uptrend. And then going into the end of the year, Christmas, that will be very bullish. If by the end of the year, it could close at around 44 to 45, that will be very bullish indicator. I am still waiting for the pullback. But if I don't see any supply come out, then the direction is still up until hit the level and attract excessive supply, where we'll see increasing of the supply, but hopefully that won't be that excessive. Let's see what's the characteristics of the next the consolidation. Right now, short term, I don't see anything that sounds alarming. Likely, we're going to see a breakout. It's important to monitor if this breakout will hold up, or if this will simply become an uptrust and to attract the supply so that people will sell into strength here, and then to start the test or the pullback. This is very important right here. So far, supply decreasing, which is a very good sign. Immediate direction is still up, but this is extended and this downswing need to be tested. I still expect a pullback.
If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.